Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Oh my ginger brother and chill videos, I'm riding a bicycle without hands. So I can actually vlog. See if I fall off. See you guys are at fault for that. Ooh, let me try and go through. Ooh. Ooh. Almost dropped, but yeah. Hello guys, welcome back to JVLOGS. I'm at the tennis court right now. Going to get my evening exercise. So I don't have to be all big and fat and lump in my big belly. So yeah. But I have a serious topic that I want to discuss with everybody. So when I park up and thing, then I'll come back and discuss the topic about this place. Alright, so hello my ginger brother and jelly bean, welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. I'm inside, it's night now, it's actually 9 p.m. I don't normally shoot in the night, but I know I need to upload a video. I've been, having mixed feelings for the past few days with the whole crime situation that's going on in Jamaica and females being killed on a regular basis. So it's really affecting me and affecting my, ability to make videos and stuff like that. And I think, I need to get out of that, bad, sad, whatever you want to call it, mode, and kind of get, back into that happy mood so I can make video and, be happy on here. I'm not 100%, but, I'm feeling alright. But what I really want to talk about is a situation that happened to me in Walmart. Last week I was in Walmart and a guy, his baby mama and his child was walking, and the guy was disrespecting his baby mama, calling her a cunt, calling her a hoe, and all type of stuff inside Walmart, walking past me. And I looked at him. They walked past me, I looked at him, and he smirked at me. He was smiling at me, thinking that I'm in agreement with what he did. And the truth is, I wasn't. I'm not in agreement with what you did. How can you be disrespecting your baby mama in front of your child? Imagine that. You're setting a bad example for your child. That to me is just really disrespectful, and I wonder, and I'm saying to myself, I realize that a lot of females sit down in relationships like this. They allow the men to disrespect them. They do nothing about it. And knowing me, I know I wanted to attack him, but it's none of my business. I can't, meddle in people's business. I can't jump in it because I was going to disrespect him in Walmart. But, I just let it be because it's none of my business. But I just wanted to make a video about it and ask you females, do you allow men to treat you like that? Do you allow men to disrespect you? Or do you allow them to say these things and not address it directly or instantly, or do you wait until you go home to address it? My advice about this is, don't ever let a man disrespect you like that, especially in public or in private. Don't allow men to take advantage of you. Don't allow them to use derogatory terms to address you. It makes no sense. You're in an unhealthy relationship with a person like that, especially when they have kids. Think about it. He's setting a bad example for that child. Now that child going to grow up thinking that it is acceptable for a man to call her mommy, a cunt or a hoe or anything like that. And keep in mind, it's the father. It's not just some random guy. It's the father. So now you're setting a... Hold on. Why gone out of focus? Alright, I'm back. You're setting a bad example for that child. So I just want us to have a discussion. I want us to have a conversation about it. Do you allow your partner to do it? Have you ever been in a situation where your partner disrespects you and you address it and cut it off right there and then? Some of the things that females you can do is demand respect day in day out. Don't sit down and joke around, because verbal abuse leads to physical abuse. So you have to be defending yourself. You have to be standing up for yourself and ensure that you're treated with respect and treated like a queen. So that's what I really want to talk about, guys. Thanks to all the new subscribers that subscribe to my channel. Look out for more videos I'll keep this going. So let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching JVLOGS again, guys. I hope you're having a good night. Thanks for watching again. I'm out.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understand.